I went from zero to $500,000 in sales in 7 months on TikTok Shop. I'm Ryan. I run Cloud9 Frequency. It's one of the largest men's apparel shops on TikTok Shop right now. So before TikTok Shop, I was working a 9 to 5. My wife and I found TikTok Shop kind of randomly during a weekend, and we wanted to make some extra money, so we decided to give it a go. When we first got into TikTok Shop, we started with products. So we were really looking at like shampoos and vitamins and supplements and things like that, but it was a totally different, more complex shipping method. And then we found print on demand through Printify, and we started selling t-shirts. There was no inventory, no overhead, and shipping was all through our print provider. So all I had to do was come up with content, come up with the designs, and sell it. Difference was the simplicity and how easy it was to get to our audience quickly. So the first moment my shirt actually took off on TikTok Shop was right before Christmas, and the design itself was so simple, we didn't think it was actually gonna gain traction. But we got so much engagement and love from the audience that we woke up and saw over 500 sales. We were really surprised. We were treating TikTok Shop really like an entertainment platform, like Instagram or Facebook. So my wife and I put on mullets and funny outfits, and we were on the back of ATVs, really trying to make the videos longer and more engaging. But we found out that people come to TikTok Shop for entertainment, but they end up buying, right? So we shortened our videos down to about 8 to 10 seconds, really just focusing on the t-shirt itself and not so much the entertainment. And that's when we started seeing a skyrocket of sales. I found a lot of similar people within my niche who were also experiencing the same things, but I noticed that sales take time, especially with TikTok Shop. I learned that after probably 2.5 months when we started really gaining traction, you have to put out volume and stay consistent with the platform in order to get rewarded and gain sales and gain momentum. Not everything is going to take off overnight, and you have to keep pushing, you have to keep posting videos, and eventually, the audience that's following you is going to purchase. I started working with affiliates right after I hit about 100 sales. And so I noticed that if I can myself create a couple videos a day and reach 100 to 200 sales in a day, I could potentially onboard creators who are professionals at posting videos and triple or 5x or even 10x the volume in sales that I do. I think within my first month, I onboarded 10 to 15 affiliates, and I saw exactly the output, right? I saw that our sales grew from 100 to 500 in a day. That's when I started realizing that the more affiliates and people helping that are experts in content, that was the strategy and the trick to really grow my TikTok Shop. GMV Max changed our business dramatically when we started realizing that there's a budget to increase your ad spend on TikTok Shop through an algorithm trend, right? So when we started putting $50 to $100 to $200 in a day for TikTok Shop's GMV Max campaign to help grow our business, we saw similar results to our affiliate marketing strategy. I think within the first 60 days, probably a 3x return in revenue when we started GMV Max campaign than when we didn't do it. So my strategy through flash sales evolved quite dramatically. I didn't really look into flash sales until probably 3 to 4 months into actually making sales, because I thought it was all organic and I had affiliates, so I didn't bother too much with heavy discounts using flash sales. But when I did, I started a 3-day window, and I noticed probably a 70% increase in revenue from when I wasn't using flash sales. And then I transitioned into hourly, and that really changed dramatically for us, because when a shopper sees that a product is on sale for only a certain amount of time and they see that ticker down 30 minutes, 20 minutes, 10 minutes, it really produces that FOMO and that urgency compared to a 3-day window where they think they have a little bit more time. So during Q4, we had a major spike in orders, about 500 in a day, and that evolved for about a week. 500, 600, 800, we had up to 1,000, and we ended up hitting print limits. And I did not know this until I received a late dispatch violation from TikTok. And so I ended up reaching out to Printify directly and kind of an urgent ask to really help out with shipping, because I was getting late orders, delivery was at risk and so forth, and I didn't want, to risk my shop. So I reached out to Printify, and within a couple hours, I was in an email thread with growth support, strategy support, and everyone on the Printify side urgently helping to make sure that my shipping and my orders were never at risk again. And we worked through that, together. And so for me, it was kind of a scare because I had a bunch of orders and a bunch of customers at risk. Being able to work with Printify to kind of reduce risk, giving the order volume and knowing, my support and what we were going through was, a tremendous ask from the team. Without having Printify as our print provider with TikTok Shop, I think I'd feel quite lost. Honestly, if I were to start over tomorrow and Printify wasn't available, I would maybe try something else like products, because the trust that I have in Printify now, I don't think I would find anywhere else. If I were to start over tomorrow with 0 sales and 0 followers, I would start with affiliates, making sure I onboard good quality affiliates, probably about 10 to 15 to first start out, offering good commission as well, because that's intriguing for them. Number 2 would be flash sales. So I would do hourly flash sales. Within 7 to 14 days, I would then do and enable GMV Max campaign, starting with $100 to $200 a day in budget. My content tips for TikTok Shop is don't take it too seriously, right? You want to make a recommendation and entertain and do all of these things within a short amount of time, but don't overcomplicate it and don't take it too serious. Meaning, if you want to just take a 8-second video showing off the front of your shirt, or if you have a back design, turning around and showing off the back too, then that can work. I had one video that took off over 1 million views where my shirt was just on a hanger and it was faceless. So it doesn't always have to be your face on camera with content all the time. So in the last 7 months, I went from $0 in sales to 500,000. I've been in the top 100 in the United States for menswear and apparel. And last week, I actually just hit Gold Star Seller on TikTok Shop, which was a big achievement for us. I was able to do this through following a very strict strategy. I talked about affiliate, content, product research, and GMV Max. And following a very specific strategy helped me get from 0 to where I am now. I'm excited to be a part of Founders Lab, which is a direct mentorship program through Printify. So I'll be helping new sellers reach a couple hundred sales a day going from 0 through strategy, mentorship, direct support from myself and other coaches. We'll be helping new sellers gain steady but fast momentum through TikTok Shop.